Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the feature turn Windows feature on or off is stuck at please wait, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the computer. Okay, right click on the start button, select shutdown or restart and then select restart. The next one is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next one is to enable the Windows Module Installer service. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the Windows Module Installer service. Okay, right click on it and then select restart. The last one is to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. And how would you do that? Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, and then OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.